gonna do? Oh, it's terrible. Oh, Grady, you've done it this time.
Hey, Grady.
Hi, Poppy. Hi, Lucila. How are you guys?
Bien. ¿Y cómo estás tú?
How are you?
Well, as you know, today is my birthday.
Happy birthday!
And I've got a party coming up in just a couple of hours, and I don't have anything planned for my guests.
Well, what if you make a piñata?
A piñata?
They're really popular for birthday celebrations in Mexico.
Ooh.
Yeah, when I was younger, my brother and I would make them. And we would blow up this big balloon, and we would cover it with strips of paper and glue, and it would take all day to dry. And when it finally dried, we could decorate it with colorful pieces of paper.
Neat.
And it would look like this.
Oh, is that you? Oh, so cute. Look at that.
And there's a song that goes with it too.
Oh, can we hear it?
Yeah, of course. It goes like this. Dale, 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 no pierdas el tino, porque si lo pierdes, pierdes el camino. Dale, no le dio, quítale la venda, porque sigo yo.
Yeah, that's a jam. I love it. So let's make a piñata. That sounds like a great idea.
And you could find any container and decorate that.
That would save a lot of time.
Yeah, it would.
And it's a perfect craft to make for Hispanic Heritage Month.
Oh, perfect.
Great.
So, Lucila, do you want to help us?
Well, I was gonna go grab your birthday present, but I could stay and do...
No. You've got important things to do. You're a very important person. Go do your important things. Definitely.
Bye, Lucila.
Bye-bye. I like her.
Let's go to the craft room.
I will never get used to that.
Okay, so Lucila said that we needed to start with a container for our piñata.
Right.
What do you think we should use?
What about a giant metal safe?
Grady, that would be really hard to break into.
I forgot the combination, too.
What about, like, a cardboard box?
Ooh, like the cardboard box that the refrigerator came in. That would hold a lot of candy.
What about, like, a cereal box?
Ooh, good idea. Hey, I know where I can find one. Ooh, I brought the cereal and forgot the box.
Hey, that's okay. I have one right here.
Oh, still totally worth it.
Hey, Grady.
Yeah.
I bet I could use my magic so we could see what the piñata is going to look like when we're finished.
Ooh, that would be neat.
Okay, I need you to cover your eyes.
Done.
Okay, think really, really hard. And when I count to 3, you can open your eyes. Ready?
Yes.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, look at that. That's really cool.
Yeah, we're going to make that. Let's talk about our supplies. We already have our cereal box, so we'll need some crafting basics. Some scissors, tape, glue, paper clips, pipe cleaner, or some ribbon, crepe paper in different colors, and some wrapping paper or even plain paper, and stickers if we want to decorate, and whatever we want to put inside of our piñata, like confetti or candy.
Oh, it looks so delicious. So, supplies? Check. I've got all this stuff at my house.
You have a house?
Well, it's a condo.
Okay, let's get crafting.
Okay.
So we already taped the bottom of our box. We're going to take some scissors and very carefully, we're going to poke 2 holes into the bottom of our box. See that? Okay, and carefully put them away. All right, now we're going to take our pipe cleaner and we're going to take paper clip. We're going to put it on the end.
And then we're going to add candy.
No. And then we're going to twist this around like that. Okay? And now we're going to put it inside the box.
And add candy.
No.
Looks so good.
Push it through all the way, look.
Oh,
And then we're gonna push it in the other side of the box. Let's see if we can see it in there. Yeah.
look at that.
And we'll get another paper clip. And we'll twist the other end in there. And we're not adding candy yet.
Oh, it looks so good, though.
Okay, now we have 2 paper clips in there, and we're going to pull it. Now we'll be able to hang our piñata.
Oh, please tell me we can add the candy now.
Actually, yeah, we can.
Woohoo!
Well, let's do it.
Is that good?
Yeah.
Need a little more? A little more.
No,
Okay.
we'll just add some confetti now, like this. Yeah, yeah. Do you like that? Okay, now we can seal the bottom of our box and wrap it in paper. And this is where we're gonna get creative. You could use plain paper and color it or paint on it, and you could even put some stickers on there too. And then we're gonna add crepe paper, and I'm gonna show you how to cut that.
And remember, kids, don't decorate with duct tape or anything that would be hard to bust through. You'll never get candy that way.
Kids?
Yeah, the kids watching at home.
Oh, I wonder if they saw those bunny ears.
Well, there's a bunny in here?
Moving on.
Here, bunny.
All right, so I'm gonna seal up the bottom of our box with some tape. And then I'm gonna get this wrapping paper. Cover our box. You can tape it, or you could use some glue too. And we want to leave some room at the top here. And I'm going to tape the bottom like this. Okay, and then we'll tape the top. Next, crepe paper. So I made this earlier. And that's what's going to go around our piñata to make it festive.
Wow, that's really fancy.
Yeah, I'll show you how to do it.
Sweet.
So take enough crepe paper to go around your box about 2 times. And then we're just going to wrap it around like this. And we're going to take and we're going to cut, not all the way to the top, just the bottom half. And then when we unfold it, look.
Oh, so neat.
So we're going to do this in each color. And now we're going to glue these down. What color should I do next?
Let's do pink.
Okay. So I'm going to put more glue down like this. So it's like a layer, see?
Yeah.
Make sure it's on there really good. And then we'll end with green because it's the best color.
Best for last.
Yeah. And then we're going to do the same for the top part. So now I'm going to take my leftover and I'm going to glue it on the top and the bottom. And then we'll do the bottom. I have some leftover green, and that's it. Let's take a look.
Wow.
And cleanup will be a snap. Grady, what happened?
What do you mean? Oh, the piñata looks great. Look at that. Oh, this is gonna be a hit.
Oh, Grady.
Oh, when the candy falls out of this, it's gonna be sweet.
Oh my goodness gracious, Grady.
I'm so sorry. I know this isn't a piñata. Oh, hey, it's almost time. Can you get us back?
Let me see what we can do.
Guys, Grady, I have your present. Oh, I'll never get used to that.
Hi, check it out. We finished it. Look at that.
It looks great.
Yeah.
And just in time, all your friends are here. Go!
Oh.
Go! You have very important things to do.
Hey, guys, how's it going?
Oh, Grady, your present.
Well, thanks, Lucila, for coming and helping us celebrate Hispanic Heritage Month and Grady's birthday. And thank you for crafting with us.
Do you hear that?